This is going to be a reading for sign of Leo. All that you need to know about your person, your soulmate. So let's see what's happening with Leo currently. What's the situation like? One card for what's happening. Okay, right now I see you being a bit restless. Okay, like you're thinking too much. You're overthinking. Okay, this could be regarding your soulmate. Okay, give me one more card as to what else is happening in Leo's life currently. What is happening? Okay. With Chariot card, there is a lack of forward movement in your life. This could be regarding your soulmate connection, your personal life, your possible career. Things are just not going forward. Things seem stagnant. There are a lot of blockages in the way. Okay. What else, Spirit? What else? Some of you could be dealing with like the sign of Cancer. Okay. With Five of Swords, right now you're thinking too much of a negative outcome. Okay, like you're very worried. Like if this person is playing mind games with you, if there is ego involvement, please drop that. There is going to be no outcome coming from it. Okay. Regarding your soulmate, what is your soulmate up to? Regarding your soulmate, Leo soulmate, what are they up to? With Page of Pentacles, this person is still very much thinking about you. This person first selected few of you could be younger, doesn't have to be. Okay, at this time, I believe even if they are at a distance, they are thinking about you. For some of you, this might be a long distance relationship. Okay, what else? How are they thinking about you at this current moment? How are they thinking about you at this current moment, please? With Four of Wands, this person very much wants you, regardless of how you feel and what you feel about them. This person very much wants you. They're still thinking about you. How are they wanting to come forward? How are they wanting to come forward? Okay. We have Nine of Cups. So this person is very much in their feelings currently. Even if they might not be doing much or saying much, I still see this person as wanting you for a long time. And they are very much happy with the connection, regardless of what they show. Okay, if there has been no communication, I believe this person is very much wanting to communicate very soon. Okay, because we see Page of Pentacles here, and bottom we have Page of Wands. On the top of their mind, we have Six of Cups. So they are very much thinking about you. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you now. In terms of intentions, we have the Moon card. So currently this person could be a bit fearful of as to how to approach towards you. There might be a lot unknown because of lack of communication. Okay, with the Sun card, however, this person does want to give you attention, but in the past this person could have chosen to stay single or possibly stay independent, you know, if that makes sense to you. You give me one more card, please. Like, give me add-on card to the Moon. Like, why is the Moon card here? Why is the Moon card here, Spirit? With the Fool card, this person does want to come forward, but they are not really making you believe that, or you don't feel that. You know, even if this person is around, you feel like this person is ghosting you, or you're not so sure what this person is up to. But I do feel this person is watching you and majorly is wanting to make a move forward. Okay, so in terms of action, Spirit, one card for what are they wanting to do now? What are they wanting to do now? In terms of action, darling, I still feel like, quite honestly, this person doesn't feel like they are at your level. Okay, this person wants to grow, I believe, financially. They want to possibly mature up before coming towards you. With Nine of Pentacles, right now this person will be very focused on their finances or being financially independent. Okay, one card for what can you expect now? What can you possibly expect? With Knight of Wands, I do, however, see this person trying to flirt with you or trying to come forward in a very flirtatious energy. Okay. Top card we have is Page of Swords. So right now, for the next couple of days, I still feel like this person will rather stalk you than reach out to you. But I do feel this person will reach out by the end of this week. I mean, that is from Monday onwards. I feel they'll take a couple of days, like before making a move. Quite honestly, but by the end of the week, you can definitely expect this person to reach out. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, how do they truly feel for you? Okay, in terms of feelings, they are very passionate about you, very passionate about you. They're very much wanting to move forward with this. Okay, with Emperor card, however, they might not be showing this to you. They might be acting very detached. Okay, like they don't give a damn kind of a thing. Okay, because that is majorly a bit childish even after having so much feelings, but maybe they like to be in control. Okay, One card for how they truly feel for you now. How they truly feel for you now. With the Ace of Wands, yeah, I see a lot of passion. A lot of passion. Okay, very much sexually into you. Okay, so in terms of feelings, how can you like what can you possibly expect from this person in terms of feelings? How are they going to come forward? Okay, we have the World. For some of you, this might be a long distance. Okay, we see too many cards here. So right now, this person has to complete something before coming forward towards you. Okay, if you know of their past, like their past has been lurking around or possibly still in contact, then they have to possibly end that before making a move towards you. I still see something blocking them, to be honest. Okay, the reason why you're so fearful, maybe because you already know of involvement some which way. I'm not saying that they are actively having a third party, but yes, there is someone's energy around. Okay, uh, so yeah, we have the World in the reverse, so which tells me that right now things are not so clear. Okay, they would want to come forward, but right now they have to end something in their life before making a move. For some, this might be a long distance, so that could be getting in the way. Okay, so one card for what's really blocking the connection. What's really blocking the connection? What's really blocking the connection is they are acting sneaky. Okay, one of you wants commitment, whereas the other person wants an open relationship. Okay, like I won't say forever, but at least for now, this person is wanting to keep things very open. Okay, like not really wanting to get tied to you. Okay, so I do feel one of you wants an open relationship, whereas the other person wants commitment. So if you want open relationship, then that could be them. But if you want commitment, then this person wants an open relation. I mean, this is for now. Okay, they are basically wanting to go with the flow. They are not wanting to get tied off as of now. Okay, give me one more card. What else should you be knowing about this person? What else should you be knowing about this person? With Seven of Pentacles, this person will take more time before deciding on the commitment part. Okay, I don't see this person directly jumping forward, to be honest. And I also feel like they need to end something in their life before making a move towards you. Okay, so for now, at least for the next let's say couple of weeks, where is this connection going? We have Ace of Pentacles that fell at the side, so I believe there are going to be delays before you guys take things very seriously. Okay, top card we have is Three of Swords, bottom card we have is the Tower. So right now things are not balanced. You both are not on the same page. Okay, you want something else, they want something else, and that would lead to more delays in this connection. Okay, so what do they want from you now? What do they truly want from you now? Right now with King of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Five of Cups in the reverse, and Five of Wands in the reverse. Right now they could be wanting you to let go of the past. Okay, like whatever happened in the past, they are wanting you to let go of that and possibly stay focused on the present. Okay, if you are ghosting them, okay, if you are ghosting them, then possibly they want you to open up. Okay, if you are ghosting them, because I feel some of you are ghosting them. Okay, and for some of you, this person is not wanting you to take things very seriously. They want you to go with the flow. If you might be the person who's taking things very seriously, like if no commitment, I'm not even wanting to be a part of this kind of situation, then they are wanting you to relax a bit. Okay, so yeah, they are secret messages to you. They are secret love messages to you. They are wanting to work on this. Okay, definitely they are wanting to find the common ground with you. Okay, if you guys are on different pages, then they possibly want things to like you guys to compromise so that you can finally come back in a harmonious connection. Okay, but they are definitely wanting to work on it. Okay, let's take more. Distance is killing me. I want to see you. Okay, I need your attention. Last card we have, I read our old conversations over. So this was your reading for sign of Leo. If this resonated, please consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel. Plus, the more the views, I'd be doing more bonuses for you guys. So please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you so much and see you soon, guys. All those who wish to get a personal reading done, please reach out on my website. And I hope to see you guys soon in the coming month.